Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make butter chicken. You can try this in your house today. Now let's marinate our chicken. I've taken around 1500 grams of chicken, that is 1 kilo 500 grams. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, that's the allspice, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoons hung curds. With the yogurt you have to actually remove the excess water from the yogurt, and after removing the water it forms like this. This is the hung curd. 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now I'm gonna add a very important ingredient, that's the salt, as you require. Now let's mix the marination. We have to keep this for marination for 30 to 40 minutes. Into the pan I've taken 1 cup water. Now I'm going to add 2 onions, medium onions chopped, 4 medium tomatoes chopped, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 3 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 3 cardamom pods, 8 to 10 black pepper corns, and inch chopped, 2 to 3 cubes of butter, 15 cashews. I'm going to cover and cook this 20 minutes until the tomato gets wilty and mashy. So let's check our tomatoes. Yeah, they have become mashy now. They have wilted. So I'm going to just cool this. After cooling this, I'm going to blend this in a mixer. Now into the same pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon oil, just wait for the butter to melt. Now I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to fry this. There are many theories about butter chicken. Ideally, stale tandoori chicken was sauteed and then added into the gravy. But nowadays we use fresh boneless chicken. The chicken is done now. I fried it for 7 to 8 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Into the same pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter, wait for the butter to melt, one tablespoon oil, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Stir and fry this for a minute. Now I'm gonna add the tomato puree, the one which I blended. I didn't have patience to strain this, so I directly added this. You have to actually strain it. I usually don't strain it. Adjust the water. If it is too thick, just add some water. Now I'm going to add salt as you require. 4 tablespoons fresh cream. Just stir it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon sugar, just to balance the flavor. It's bubbling now. Now I'm gonna add the chicken tikka. Classically, butter chicken was always a way of recycling. As I told you, stale tandoori chicken was sauteed and it was added into the gravy. The leftover chicken was added into the gravy. That's how the butter chicken was made. Now I'm going to take some fenugreek leaves, dried fenugreek leaves, that's the kasuri methi. Now I'm going to crush this and I'm going to add this. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes on low flame. So my butter chicken is ready now. So this is my butter chicken. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe and share, and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.